What's up, guys? Back here with another video. We're here at the wheel rack, 6127 San Pedro. Let me see. We got Vince here. Vince the man. His little office. We got Everly here. Say what's up, Everly. Got Vince's little microwave. His little fan when he's hot. Saran wrap when he wants to.
That's what got that heater when cold.
Oh shit, we got his heater when he's cold. Got all the high nuts right here. We got the little tacochita right here. Look at cabrona.
Walking to the beach house, looking so sparkly. Brought two more female friends to join everybody at the Mardi Gras on the island.
Do you think I'm a nasty girl?
That's what I heard when I looked up. It was Cheryl with sex apparel. Said she drove a 1998 Montero. I said I'm Poncho, all about the Nido. Head honcho, girl, yo Sancho. Let's pronto to the condo where me and you can lay low and sip on more. Before the girl had a chance to respond, got rudely interrupted by a female named Yvonne. Yvonne was a little freak I did last week in the backseat of her mama's Yukon. Why you tripping? We were just flipping. Only thing on my mind was hitting, no commitment, cause
do you think I'm a nasty girl?
and no commitment, cause
do you think I'm a nasty girl?
and no commitment, cause girl, you're just a friend to me. Someone to call when you're getting lonely. Girl, I see you watching me, thinking about when you get on me. Girl, you're just a friend to me. Someone to call when you get lonely. Girl, I see you watching me.
Alright, we headed over to A1 Car Audio to pick up a harness from one of my other vehicles.
Why? Cash money, rich niggas left. Loud pipes, big rims, nigga, that's my life. Once I pull up at the club, sorry, that's my night. I know a lot of haters probably saying that that's not right, but my diamonds are much bigger, so that's my life. Bling bling, I only carry big faces, you hear no jing jing. And you can ask your wife and she will say the same thing. And your children be amazed when they see me on the big screen. I crack myself up. I know I talk loud, but I can back myself up. Got in that house on the beach, that's where I shack myself up. You ain't really got more money than me, think about it. Let's just say somebody gave me a check to think about it. So I just bought a new roll and gotta take a leg about it. And me with no ice is like a Prince concert that ain't crowded. They see the beam in the truck and the B12 and B what's next. Then that's when I pull up in the BEL. Blah blah let's
like a nigga that ain't never had shit. Look into my Benz and add some asses. I be
Door panel out the box. Looks good. Comes with a little chrome ring. See it under there. You gotta take all this off, but there's a little chrome ring under there.
ain't nothing. Smoke a pound, pop the crystal and drink something. Meet me in the casino, way in the bag. Losing money like a motherfucker, still shooting crack. Tomorrow I'll be back, I got millionaire status. We make so much money, IRS be looking at us.
That's the bottom carpet with the billet piece installed. Easy to install. Got a couple pieces in the back you just push through and fold. Goes right through. Alright, so you can see on the door it's got some pre-drilled screws already for the carpet. But when you buy, doesn't have pre-cut holes of where you're gonna put your screws at. So that's kind of a tricky part. You got to find out how you can mount this piece on here to the bottom to you know, make it line up. So that's something you're gonna have to figure out on your own.
Just ain't gonna let a nigga come and punk you, huh? Stand in front you, huh? Straight up punk you, huh? You know got that fire green, huh? You know how to use a triple beam, huh? Shit ain't hard as it seems, huh? You keep your body clean, huh? You got a lot of your bold jeans, huh? Some of your partners dope fiends, huh? You don't really wanna fuck with them niggas, huh? You come up with them niggas, huh? You stuck with them niggas, huh? You a paper chaser, you got your block on fire, you remain in the G. Until the moment you expire, you know what it is. You make nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying, and it's something you a paper chaser. You got your
My self-tap screws, I got the finishing screws that came with the carpet kit. It came with a total of 8 screws. So I think the way I'm gonna finish off these doors, I'm gonna have 5 on top and 3 on the bottom. So now I know that I need to find my center. So what I wanna do is I wanna measure. So I'm gonna measure from screw to screw, about 32.5. So the half of 32.5, that would be 16.25. So 16.25 should be my set. So about right here is where I want to put my next screw. And you guys can mount this however you guys want. It's just, this is a method that's easier to me to put on. I didn't want to match up the original hose. I just did myself my own hose with the self-tap and just went up.
It was hard for you to breathe, huh? You a paper chaser, you got your block on fire, you remain in the G. Until the moment you expire, you know what it is. To make nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying, it is something you a paper chaser. You got your block on fire, you remain in the G. Until the moment you expire, you know what it is. To make nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying, it is something. You got a trespass in charge, huh?
Doesn't matter how many screws you put or how you put them in whatever pattern you put them. It's just how I did it like this.
You done switch from Nike to Reeboks, huh? You twinkle your goals every time you leave your house, huh? The income tax checks out, huh? You about to flip that, huh?
The armrest comes with the necessary hardware you need for it. If your door's pretty complete, you should have already where the screws are gonna sit. So all you would do is, the armrest comes with a little stud there. You would just match it up with this hole right here. Put it in. Make sure your screws are lined up over here. They look good. Get your screw. Drop it in. There goes one. There goes the other. Almost. The door bezel. It's a tight fit on this one, so you want to kind of line it up where it needs to go. I think it needs to go there. I brought the hardware for the doors. The only thing with this is on the panel it has one pre-drilled screw, but on the bezel it has 2 holes, so we'll make one more hole through the panel. So just line it up where it goes. Shoot your screw, it's on there, and we'll just shoot the other one, and that should be it.
AK-47 mob. I ain't gotta tell them who the fuck we are. I rep my shit till I'm next to God. And when you mention
Door insert, trim piece, fits in there snug, perfect. Comes with 4 screws. Drill them into the panel and you'll be done. Real easy install.
in the middle of the night, trying to get it right. Need to hit it blunt one time, need to hit it twice. Smoking that purple, I call it that murder. I ended up in the 805 by the 101 freeway. Windows up full of smoke is the G-way. Lost in smoking, they got it on replay. My shit's on replay. Coming with the style that I give you up in the past. Got my soldiers waiting.
Installed. Took me about 30 minutes. Bolting everything in, getting it done. Another option they have is these screws here. I just got them in a silver finish, but you can get them in a aluminum. I got them You can get them in black. When you buy the door panels, they come with the hardware. They come in with black. I like the aluminum look better. But that's it. Wasn't hard to install. I like the fit. I didn't put the window switches yet, or the door switches, because I plan to do something a little different on there. I don't know, I just didn't want to cut the hose and then mess up the panel yet, so I'm still debating if I want the switches there, but that's it. Looks good.
This one's for my new bitches.